With the housing and rental market near all-time highs, and the cost of gas prices, food, and utilities also sky high, many San Diegans are starting to cut back. And that's exactly the goal of the federal interest rate hikes, which will affect costs for mortgages, credit cards, and car loans.
They're making money more expensive. So you'll spend less, you'll borrow less. We are starting to see the housing market cool off.
Carolyn Freund is UC San Diego's Dean of Global Policy and Strategy. She says the Federal Reserve has to be careful not to create drastic changes with its rate hikes.
What we don't want to see, but could very well happen, is if interest rates go up too fast, it pushes us into recession. If interest rates don't go up fast enough, the inflation continues. So it's a really, really delicate balance to get it right.
Real estate broker Voltaire Lepe says rising interest rates have some of his clients shifting from a home purchasing mindset into the rental market. He says that's creating lots of competition for a limited supply of rentals, even though the housing market is starting to cool off.
For the first time in my 20-year career, there's tenants that are saying, I know you want 2,500, but here, I'll give you 2,700. And then somebody else, I'll give you 2,800. And now they're outbidding each other because they want to skip the line and get the property. I've never seen that before.
And as always, inflation is hitting low-income earners the hardest. Freund worries it could lead to more people going hungry and experiencing homelessness.
And we have not seen wages going up commensurately with prices. So as a result, your real wage is declining. And that's really, really hard on the low-income households.
Freund says there hasn't been inflation rates like this since the 1970s and 80s. While there are some parallels to that time period, she says the big difference is this time, inflation was driven by the pandemic and government stimulus payments that put more money into the market. Jacob Aere, KPBS News.